You're watching JU Nation Fishing.
Oh my goodness. Merry Christmas, everybody. I've got this gift from Smackdown Catfishing. Really excited to open it up to show you guys what's in it. So let's see. All right, check it out, guys. Here we go. Woo! Smackdown Catfishing. Alright, this is a new invention, guys. I'm really excited to be able to use this coming up. So this is an amazing rod holder. Very heavy duty. They're used to catch like 100, 150 pound catfish. So I know they're gonna do really well for all the fish I need to do over here. And it comes with this beautiful 1-inch rail rod holder. So I can clamp this in a 1-inch rail on my boat, the Sturgeon Bandit, and then this clips on it. I'm gonna show you a clip of how it's being used, okay?
Hey guys, I'm Stacey Gaston with Smackdown Rod Holders. I want to just show you a little bit of functions on the rod holder. We got 3 different angles, 5 different positions. Most versatile rod holder in the world. Here are the 3 different angles in which we have. Here's one right here that's going to be between 0 and 10 degrees according to what size your rod handle is. Here's one at 35 degrees. And if you have a bait caster, you can set it down here like that, and it's at 55 degrees. You're also going to be able to put 2 rods in the same rod holder at the same time, and it's not going to interfere with the function of either one. So let me demonstrate this. You got 2 rod holders in, you get a bite on this one, you can pull it out. Just that simple and quick. There's nothing that's going to be able to catch or bind. If you pull up on your rod holder here, it's going to come out, nothing in the way. On this one right here, if something hits it, out with it the same way. So there's nothing that's able to hit on it. Most versatile rod holder you're gonna be able to find if you're fishing for catfish, pike, walleye. Get in touch with us at smackdowncatfishing.com.
So thank you very much, Peter, who works with Mr. Stacey Gaston, who sent me this beautiful gift. And I have all of this to thank all of my beautiful friends who support me throughout the years. And that, includes Silvertron, Tornado Flashers, and of course, Gyro Lures. And recently, even the Meat Hunter rods, and a whole bunch of other friends I'm listing in my link.
The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy.
And of course, all of my viewers. I'm just very appreciative that you all come check out my channel. I do appreciate that very much. Merry Christmas. Until the next time, guys. Peace out. Woo! Bam!